fringe stitch or turkey work. Come up a little bit ahead. Come down and a little back, not in the same hole. Leave a loop. I place needle inside the new and old loops and pull thread until the loop is the right size. Hold loops with a finger and come up, a little ahead of the last 2 stitches. And come down, wrapping the threads of the loop. And one more. Come up a little space ahead. Come down between the last stitch and the one before it. Leave a loop. If it's the first loop, do the same and stop pulling when you like the length of the loop. Then come up ahead last stitches and make backstitch, securing the loop. That's it. I decided to leave the loops, but there is another option. You can cut each loop to get fringes, like I did in this embroidery. And this. And this. Link to the rack pattern is in description. It includes instructions for 6 and 8 inch hoops and 2 color schemes.